our Biomedical Engineering Department senior design team worked with Little Brothers Friends of the Elderly to improve their non-emergency medical transportation services. We worked with Little Brothers to design and implement a portable ramp and step system to help assist their volunteers in regards to wheelchair accessibility to and from homes and into their medical transportation vans. After some background research, looking at what was already available on the market, as well as the transportation vans currently being utilized at Little Brothers, we were able to come up with a list of design objectives and constraints to ensure that the final design stayed within the bounds of functionality that Little Brothers set out. We started off by designing the ramps in NX using 3D modeling and 3D printed several scaled down models to be used as a proof of concept. These models were not used for any functional purposes, just for demonstrations of potential solutions. We then decided on a final design of an aluminum bifold ramp, styled somewhat like a suitcase, in the fact that it easily folds in half and was equipped with handles to allow a single volunteer to transport the ramp. We fabricated a scaled down aluminum model of the ramp that was used for mechanical testing with a scaled down load. A majority of our mechanical testing accomplished for our scaled down models was performed on Comsol Multiphysics. Comsol is a software that affords us control over nearly every natural aspect and physical property of a computer-aided design model. These tests showed that our ramp would not fail in practice. We outsourced the fabrication of our full-size ramp to Lifeway Mobility LLC in order to reduce costs and ensure a quality final product. The ramp was fabricated out of aluminum, was 6 foot by 30 inches when unfolded, weighs 34 pounds, and has a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. We added some modifications to add additional traction to the middle portions of the ramp that did not have 3D traction from the factory, and we also drilled holes along the bottom edge to allow for more efficient water drainage. Due to ADA regulations, the ramp is only recommended to be used for 1 to 3 steps, as well as for some minivans and SUVs. Additionally, we constructed a step system from high-density foam boxes. These have a wide solid platform of 28 inches square with a soft, non-slip surface made from vinyl. These boxes increase in size in 6-inch increments and connect together to form steps. They are around 12 pounds with a weight capacity of 350 pounds and also have handles to allow a single volunteer to carry and maneuver them easily. Both of the systems we developed can be deployed in a single volunteer and fit in a variety of vehicles. We are hopeful that these solutions will ease the ability of volunteers at Little Brothers Friends of the Elderly to transport elderly individuals and potentially expand the community that they are able to provide these necessary services to. We would like to acknowledge and thank the Biomedical Engineering Department, especially our advisors, Dr. Yoon and Dr. Soikon. We would also like to thank the wonderful team at Little Brothers Upper Michigan Chapter and the Visser family for their funding of this project.